Welcome to your next favorite skincare essential, the Kerstin Florian Organic Neroli Blossom Bath and Body Oil. A nutrient-rich moisturizer that combines uplifting neroli essential oil and rosemary extract in a silky blend of coconut, jojoba, meadow foam, and sunflower oils to deeply nourish and protect your skin. This luxurious body oil offers an at-home spa experience, transforming your bathroom with its uplifting aromatherapy and silky texture. Perfect for use after a shower or mixed with body lotion. Apply a few pumps to damp skin for lasting moisture or add some to your bath for relaxing soak that enhances your well-being. The blend of natural aromatic ingredients creates a light orange sensory experience, making each use a moment of pure indulgence. Made with certified organic oils, this vegan and cruelty-free formula is free from parabens, ensuring only the best for your skin. Embrace the beauty of botanically based luxury skincare that combines clean science and natural ingredients for effective, spa-like results. Treat your skin to the nourishing and aromatic benefits of this exquisite body oil today. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.